Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Share for Care. Today I am going to give the link about the postdoc and postmaster opportunity at Wisconsin Water Resource Science Policy Fellowship, because there are lots of comments are coming regarding this type of position. So before entering into the project into the this program, before going to this program, first I have to describe about the project description. Those candidate who are willing to apply in this type of project should have proper knowledge of surface and subsurface hydrology modeling, proper knowledge of surface and subsurface hydrological modeling. So he or she must have a good idea about how to deal with climate data sets and the extreme events caused by the climate change, like drought, flood, and desertifications. Basically, this project also deals with the groundwater withdrawals, increasing precipitation and frequency, extreme storms resulting in myriad response of stream flow and temperature. And also you have to a good idea about the trend analysis of this climate parameter. So at the end you need to have to calculate the water availability for the water as per the water budget. So increase the socio-economic development of that region in with respect to fisheries. So another thing is you need to about have good idea about the objective of this project. So update statewide stream flow model, stabilize new or improve existing flow ecology relationship for navigable trout stream throughout Wisconsin. And you have to characterize the endemic risk of aquatic ecosystems due to base flow variations. As you know, there is as the topography changes, the climate changes, and due to the rapid increase in the population, there is obviously change in the base flow variation. And you have to develop a map, develop the scenario for the risk management criteria. So I am also going to attach the link in the video. So better to go through the link, and for further inquiry you can visit you can mail to Dr. Jennifer Oxwell or Dr. Adam Freehor, and the deadline of the application is June 5th, 2020. So for after going to this PDF you can find all those things which is required by the organization. And eligibility criteria is also given, about the stipend is also provided. All those requirements are mentioned in the PDF. So it's a humble request to please go through this PDF. And the second most important thing is please subscribe my channel and comment your requirement and share among those candidates who really deserve this type of program for their future career or perspective. So hope for the best, enjoy your life.